this is not how I wanted to start this week's vlog, but I don't know why little girls, and I mean like 5th graders, 6th graders, 7th graders, middle school girls, think that they have to be so mean to one another. It is disgusting. It's uncalled for. There's literally no reason for it. When I was in the 6th grade, if you didn't like someone, you stayed away from them. There was none of this, like, I'm gonna beat her ass in the bathroom, blah, blah, blah. We stayed away from each other. You guys gotta stop. Life is too short. And all this drama you have going on right now is not gonna matter in a year. So I got 2 new palettes. This, I never have used the hard candy eyeshadows before, but this attracted me. It says infused with hemp oil, so that attracted me. Plus I think it's freaking beautiful. Then, and I never use green shadows. Then Milani has this new one, where's the box? Gilded Jade, Grounded Shade, and Edible it's called. But we're gonna see how it comes out. I might check in a little bit throughout, but I will definitely let you guys know. So I know, growing out the hair process. So I know I told you guys about it before, but I am about to take this makeup off. I am obsessed with the Physicians Formula Coconut Milk Eye Makeup Remover. It makes my skin feel so amazing after I take the makeup off. So that's what we're doing right now. I literally just take a little bit of this, and it's like a lotion, right? Like, you guys see it? It's like a lotion. That's honestly way too much. I don't know why I just used that much. And then I just rub it together. And then I rub it on my face. It doesn't burn the eyes. Nothing like that. Rub it in. And then I just get my rag wet. You can literally see like where I started wiping and where I haven't. Like, I am so obsessed with this stuff. So obsessed. So then just take my rag. And I'm not really applying like any pressure really. It literally just comes right off. And that's it. So if you guys are looking for a good makeup remover, I'll check that out. And it's pretty expensive. I'm pretty sure it's like $7, $8 maybe. I don't know. And like I said, it doesn't take very much. The amount that I used is honestly too much. So check it out. All these females be so quick to give my baby dad a place to live. Like, y'all know my baby dad ain't shit, right? Like, I do not understand. I will never get this. How these females, and it's like literally every female that he messes with, they just let him like move in. Like, what are you doing? He's a grown man with no job, who doesn't take care of his kids, who is a drug addict. So what about that makes you want to let this man move into your home? Let's be 100% clear about something. Don't come into my job getting on my ass because you can't keep your man straight and out of some shit. I'm a female who does rap music. I literally haven't released any project in I don't know how long. I literally just got back into it. And this female comes into my job and is like, you know the man that you was talking to about battle rap? That's my man. Okay, let me restart. She said, you know the man you was talking to about battle rap? Yes. She said, and you seen him at Walmart? Well, that's not true. I didn't. But she said, his girl's real ignorant and I'm his girl. Just because I talk to someone about music does not mean that I want him. Like, that's the thing that y'all got fucked up. You can be in an industry with a man and not want to fuck him or suck his dick. Swear to God, sometimes social media memories be the fucking worst. Like some shit you thought you deleted or got rid of. Nah, social media will be like, nah, bitch, remember this? Remember who you cared about on this date? Remember how you felt on this date? And it just brings that shit right back up. Fucking hate it. Dear Indiana, I'm gonna need you to not be so fucking cold already. Literally, and I be forgetting every morning too. Like, it's cold. Cold. I doubt that Meek Mill will ever see this. But Meek Mill, I am so in love with you. Real shit. The fuck. I want to meet him so bad. Can we make this happen? Is there a way to make it happen so that I can meet Meek Mill? Like, am I gonna have to start putting this in every single vlog? I just want to meet Meek Mill. Who can help? What's she doing? Why do you always cover your face when I do vlogs?
Because I don't want to make my video.
Why?
Because I just don't.
I like your pretty face though. Let me see it.
No.
Let me see it just one time and I'll stop. Ah, come on. One more time and I'll stop. One more time and I'll stop.
No.
All right. I love you.
Love you.
How much?
More than the boys.
No, I don't love you more than your brothers. I love all of you the same. So Zarai's doing a project for school. And she chose rap music. And guess who she's writing about? Lil Wayne. Like, is it just me, or is it dope to anybody else that, like,
the library people told me to do Lil Wayne, so
that he's like, yes, like he's impacting younger generations still. Like, Wayne, dope.
Stop!
Doing a project on rap music. That truly is my kid.
Stop taking videos.
It's not even of you, stupid. Listen, I know I've already put this in the vlog, but can somebody just help me meet Meek Mill? Like, this is goals right now. Like, hashtag, yes they do. Hashtag help H Love, help Holly Leigh meet Meek Mill. No. Please, like, I just want to meet Millie one time. That's all. And it's been like so heavy. Like, it's my focus right now. Do what I gotta do to meet Meek Mill. Like, I'm gonna start tagging him in my Instagram shit. Y'all tag him in my shit. So hopefully I just need this to happen. I need to meet Meek Mill. Like, fly me to Philly, do whatever we gotta do. I need to meet Millie. That's bae though. That is bae. Right? It's bae? It's bae. Millie bae. Millie is bae. Hey! She's got me on the swing, bruh. Booty too big for a swing. And it's hot as Whee! What you doing?
Stopping myself.
Whee!
I have to jump off because I to stop myself.
At the park with my babes. The boys are over there. Hey! Whee! Joke. Hold on. Floss in the walk? Do it.
High too. These go high fast.
It's Taco Tuesday, bruh. With them shows. Did you know about this? What you know about this? Taco Tuesday! Hey! Bruh. My sister, come on camera focus, be keeping these fucking spiders alive. Like, she doesn't want to kill them, right? But that's not even the fucking bad one. There's one up there that looks like it came straight out of Satan's ass. Then you come right over here and you see this ginormous little motherfucker. His web looks beautiful. I wish the camera would pick it up. She doesn't want to kill it. I want to set this whole motherfucker on fire. Yo, that is the spider that Spider-Mans were made from. Fuck that. Alright. This is my last attempt before I end the vlog. I really want to meet Meek Mill. The plan is to make a post on social media, Facebook, Instagram, saying that I want to meet him, and then have all of you tag his name in the post. So maybe if he gets like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 comments to one post. This is the goal right now. Hashtag meet Millie. I'm so stupid. Alright guys, I'm done being stupid. This is the end of week 12. It's week 12. Be nice to one another. Stay beautiful. Go do something nice for someone else. And I'll see you guys next week. Love you guys. Bye.